how to get custom Crosshair on the PS5's Fortnite. And what you do is that you press start, you go to the support menu, the systems menu downstairs, as you can see, and then you want to mosey on down to support. Now, what it is not showing you, because the PS5 capture is not really helping show you, is that this prompts you to enter a browser of sorts, and on said browser, it takes you to your profile on the Epic Games Store on which the Fortnite game is. Now, what you want to do first, because this is not going to allow you to actually purchase the Crosshair until you have signed in to your Epic account. And once you've done that, which by the way is compatible with like a ton of things, and you want to search on the search bar right here on said browser, you're going to search for the words Crosshair. Two Crosshairs are going to pop up. I believe one is V2 and one is Crosshair X of sorts, which is the original. And as soon as you press that, given the fact that you're signed in, you're going to download your custom Crosshair. These are the two options that you can get on console. Subscribe. Catch you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.